Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create scatter with smooth line chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to create scatter with smooth line in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click chart option. Then choose XY scatter chart. Now we can see here many XY scatter chart. We select the scatter with smooth line. Then click OK. Now we can see here we create a scatter with smooth line chart. Now we want to change the chart style. Click the chart, then go to the design menu. Then click drop down menu, then choose the chart style. You can change the chart point color. Click the colors option, then choose another color. Otherwise, you can change the layout of this chart. Click the quick layout option, then change the layout. You can edit the chart data. Click right button on our mouse, then go to edit data option and edit data of this. Otherwise, you can change the value of this sheet, change data, then close the window. Now we can see here we created scatter with smooth line chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.